Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you've been scratching your head wondering why you can see your achievements on Instagram or how to even get that cool new achievements feature, well you've clicked on the right video. I'm here to guide you through some simple fixes and tips to get you showcasing your Instagram accomplishments in no time. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Update your Instagram app. This might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Head over to the App Store or Google Play, search for Instagram, and hit that update button if you see one. New features often require the latest version of the app. Step 2. Check your account type. Instagram achievements are available to personal, creator, and business accounts. However, features might roll out differently across these types. Tap your profile at the bottom right, then click on three horizontal lines. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. As you can see, there is Creator Tools and Controls. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find Add New Professional Account. Click on Continue. You can choose whatever the most describes you. After doing so, enter your phone number or email ID. Now here you can see we have our professional dashboard. Just tap on it. Then look for achievements. And that's it folks. We've covered how to troubleshoot and potential unlock the Instagram achievement feature. I hope these tips does the trick for you. If it did or if you have any other tips and tricks, let us know in the comments below.